I never recommend IPOs to anyone. I think, Tyler London, who's our small cap investor, who literally runs an advisory called Cabot Early Opportunities. So he's looking for, early stage investment opportunities. He even says, give stocks 3 months, to be public. There's always the hype, and a lot of times overhype. The bigger the name, the more the hype. And there's usually, euphoria for the first few days, maybe even a few weeks, and then it comes crashing back down. And then after that, maybe after I think part of the reason he says 3-4 months is you wait for those first earnings to come out. You start to get a real clear picture of what the company actually looks like. And so then it's just the reality phase. The hype is gone, and you can just invest in the stock, and you're not investing in pure hype of an IPO. So while it's good that all these companies are companies whose names are coming public, it's a good sign for the market that appetite is there for this kind of thing. I wouldn't invest in any of them, not in the first 3 months or so.
So if we look at there's an IPO ETF, it's Renaissance IPO ETF.
Yep.
The ticker's IPO. In January of 2020, they were trading around 32.80 a share. They're currently trading at 32.90 a share. Their top holdings are Airbnb, Snowflake, Palantir, DoorDash, Li Auto, Coupang, which I vaguely remember. I don't remember what they do, though.
Yeah.
Coinbase, Roblox, and Rivian. And that Renaissance IPO performed really, really well from COVID lows through October of 2021 and then into November, right? So the froth was great for it, but the real investing environment, generating operating profits going forward, has really been unkind to that fund. And I don't see that changing, but I do agree with you 100% that the fact that companies are now willing to essentially wager their market cap in the open market by doing an IPO, I do think that is a vote of confidence for the broader economy and for the broad market as a whole. There is investor interest. We've been talking about sort of that rotating bull market. The summer performance of travel stocks sort of shows that. The flat performance of AI since end of July sort of shows that similar rotation. So I would be less interested in maybe getting in on those IPOs, but I do like seeing it.